Yo, welcome back to Containing Luxury. On this episode, we're celebrating 100,000 subscribers. That's pretty cool. Let's get started. And as a celebration for the 100,000, Ryan's been working hard in the background to make a form on the website where you guys can actually share your builds. And hopefully, we might be able to come out and check them out and get you guys on the channel. So that's gonna be a really cool thing that we're gonna start offering to people because we know there's so many builds going on and it's been really hard for us to constantly be finding the content that we need. So that's gonna be a help to us as well because really we've created this container community. There's so many builds going on and we know it's a really expensive process. So we can't just always be building our own stuff and filming. We're trying to do our jobs. So we wanna come and be able to check out your guys' builds and walk through and find what problems did you come across, what solutions did you come across? Because even as a general contractor in building these things, I'm still learning new tricks and little things that you come across every day. And I'm sure there's things that, I've come across somebody that had no construction experience and they just thought about it differently then. And I saw something that they rigged up and I'm like, whoa, that makes way more sense, because we learn a certain way. We don't come at it with a fresh pair of eyes. So always educate yourself, and a way that we can do that and also give back to you guys is by allowing you guys to share your projects. And we can bring some light to those and come check them out and share the knowledge. So after all, we are an educational series. Most people don't know that because most of the time I'm screwing around and I look like an idiot. Oh shit! Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh, I think I broke my butt cheek. But I'm actually not that dumb most of the time. Woohoo! For that form that you're gonna be able to submit that information, it could be any stage of the build process, from design to floor plans to I'm halfway through construction to, hey, check out what I've completed. Any stages. We want all the information for you guys to share, and it's gonna be a great avenue for a lot of people to get ideas and for us to learn from each other, because that's the whole point, right? Share the knowledge. We've seen some people when I've given away some trade secrets and I see contractors joking around on the comments being like, oh, we're gonna have to kill him because he's giving away all the secrets, but it's all in good fun and we're here to, to educate and for everybody to find out, is a container home the home for you? So anyway, guys, we're so stoked to have 100,000 subscribers. Here's to 100 million more. That'd be cool, right? Containing Luxury and all of our fans, we out.